For over 60 years, Branson has been a leading innovator of ultrasonic precision cleaning baths. Today, that tradition continues as we introduce a new line of digital ultrasonic cleaning baths, the CPX series. Built with the same quality and durability as our mechanical ultrasonic cleaners, we've reimagined the Bransonic bath for complete control, enhanced precision, and consistent cleaning for any user. It starts with a newly designed clear digital display. These easy-to-use controls give any operator the ability to perform precise, powerful cleaning with limited room for error. Depending on the CPX series, you'll notice simple digital controls that range from temperature setting to degas processing to heating. From the laboratory to the workshop, the new CPX series offers the right settings for the right job. Start by setting your cleaning time. You can choose timed increments of up to 99 minutes, or get the flexibility of continuous cleaning with the constant sonics mode. Either way, just set your digital Bransonic and forget it. The new digital series of Bransonic baths ensures the most consistency from batch to batch, with the ability to set temperatures from 27 to 69 degrees Celsius or 80.6 to 156.2 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the programmed temperature is reached, the ultrasonic waves are automatically activated. The Bransonic Digital CPX-H ultrasonic bath is the only bath that is fully programmable. The digital display allows users to program and lock in the cleaning settings for their session. It not only helps reduce operation errors, but it also allows for autonomous operation after the bath is programmed and the cycle is started. Once the runtime is complete, the digital bath will shut off automatically, delivering the same results every time. For even easier operation, the Bransonic digital bath can also run in manual mode for push-and-go operation. With our new and innovative self-adaptive technology, you'll get unwavering cavitation and calibration when load conditions change. The self-adaptive uses ultrasonic power tracking to actively monitor the bath load and detect the adding or removal of items. Once a small change is sensed, the power tracking circuitry technology will bring the operating frequency back to its optimum levels. All you have to do is adjust the time and temperature if needed. It's hassle-free operation with the lowest margin of error to help you save time, money, and peace of mind. At Branson, we're more than ultrasonic baths. We're going beyond cleaning, like sample preparation, which includes degassing liquids, mixing and homogenization, dissolving solids, cell lysing, and dispersion of particles. From our innovative self-adaptive technology to flexible programming to a variety of sizes to accommodate a host of applications, we've reimagined what it means to clean with precision. Are you ready to go beyond cleaning?